Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me to this new week. The Australian dollar at present has managed to keep hold of the latest gains after a brief tumble on Friday, posted a low of 74.97 before rebounding. The technical implications are still a little bit questionable in terms of whether the market can recover. And at this stage, I do look for any advances as a sell opportunity towards the region seen at 75.65 or higher. If we see a move above there, then I'll be looking to shorten the market, as I feel the market in turn will see a bearish outcome eventually to the downside, with the outlook to the target of 73.75.85. The reason behind this is that the dollar may stage a slight pause in its bullishness after posting a fresh 6-month high of 93.72 on the index. If we look at the euro, which is weighted against the US dollar at 57.6, the market is still tumbling and remaining very weak and looking towards its objective of 116.60. Now, the market started its bearish journey after taking out the support at 121.80, which was the double top neckline. And since then, it's been taking out support after support after support. Resistance is seen on for the euro at 118.20, and it would need to break above 118.75.90 to reverse this picture, which looks very doubtful at this current stage. Well, the dollar yen is still posting fresh gains and now looking towards its objective, which I was calling at 111.15.25. Do take note towards this region, may start seeing some profit taking, but if we do clear 111.25, then this might look for an extension up towards 111.90 to 112.10. Support is seen at 110.55, with the uptrend now seen at 109.70.90, and towards this region I am a buyer because I believe the market still has a lot more upside to go and could be looking towards the 114 region, so do keep that in the back of your thoughts. The pound hasn't staged any significant moves, but instead is pressuring the support level seen at 134.45.55, and with this morning the low so far has been 50. I do expect to see from a technical point a rebound, but if failing to do so would see a target of 133.20 if we go sub 134.45. Resistance at the moment is 135.55. The outlook for gold for the last 3 days has been bearish, and since it crushed the support at 1,300 as the market bowed out of its longs, the fact is that we're seeing pressure returning today. With the immediate target seen at 84, if we fail to see a rebound from this level, then this would expose the region of 78. Now, the break of 1,300 does, at this point in time, give us a target of 1,255. But I'm not really coming out with that call because we are quite low on the technical situation. So I do expect to see from current levels, or at least from 84, a rebound. But if we do move underneath there, then 78 is the next target, with the resistance seen at the moment at 1,295. The silver outlook, just be on your guard if you're trading from alongside, is the fact that we may see a short-term bearish return, should I say. But I do expect to see the market finding demand around at $16.15.25. An immediate resistance comes in at 55, and any dips, as I say from previously, is still a buy towards the level of $16.15. And to round off with oil, well, the market is still attempting to try and take out this level of $72 a barrel. After posting 3 dojis, bearish divergence, I do question the market if it can sustain above there after recently failing three or four times. Therefore, I do expect to see a pullback towards the target of $70 figure 30, with the objective seen as $67.50.55. Any advances should still suffer bearish confliction. Unless we're going to break above 72.50, then that may give further indication of a target of $74 to $75 a barrel. But see how the market plays out. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed a great start to the new week.